let's use your God-given creativity and create a pumpkin with black glue and watercolors. First, you're going to draw your pumpkin on a piece of mixed media paper. Pumpkin any shape that you like. I like to start with ovals, parentheses on either side, and then another parentheses on the outside of that one. Now draw over all those lines with black glue. That's just black acrylic paint mixed with your regular school glue. Now let this dry. You cannot skip this step. Watercolors don't play well with wet glue for this project. Once your glue is dry, wet your pumpkin. You can wet the individual sections or you can wet the whole pumpkin. The glue is going to provide a border to keep your paint from mixing within each section. And don't forget your background. Just for fun, I'm going to sprinkle the blue background with some salt, and it's going to create a cool effect. We hope you enjoyed this pumpkin, and we can't wait to see what you create. And most importantly, forget not the Lord.